HyBiz News. I am Suresh Kochatan. With the likelihood of a vaccine against coronavirus being available within months, the government has begun a massive exercise to map out the cold chain storage facility to ensure that the vaccine is quickly delivered across India. A national expert is talking to public and private sector entities in the pharmaceutical sector, food processing industry and agro business, as well as food delivery startups like Swiggy and Zomato to identify cold storages of fridges at the taluka level that can stock and distribute the vaccine. Sources with a direct knowledge of the discussion said. A draft scheme of the vaccine distribution is likely to be released around next week, they said. At least one domestic and 3 foreign vaccines are likely to be available in India in the coming months. Most of the vaccine candidates will require a cold supply chain with temperatures that can go well below 0 degrees Celsius, down to minus 80 degrees Celsius, although most need to be kept between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. The sources said that a majority of the vaccine candidates are in liquid form, except for a few freeze-dried products. They are to be administered through intramuscular injection route, and requirement will be a 2-dose regimen. The majority of the vaccine candidates would be available in multi-dose vials of 2.5, 10, 20 and 50 doses per vial. The estimation of the cold chain space needed for vaccines has been made considering 18% of the population would need to be covered within 6 months. They added, but both the current temperature ranges, which is plus 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and minus 15 to minus 20 degrees Celsius, have been considered for the scenario to account for the adequate storage in either condition. The Union Health Ministry has already initiated a cold chain augmentation plan to address the additional cold chain space required for the vaccine. The sources said there will be a temporary requirement of 2 to 3 months of surge capacity for large cold storage at the state and regional level to store and distribute large incoming quantities of the vaccine. While most of the vaccine products under development require traditional cold chain temperature range, which is plus 2 to plus 8 degrees Celsius and minus 15 to minus 20 degrees Celsius, some products might require minus 60 to minus 80 degrees Celsius temperature, for which support of the private sector which maintains such storage can be sought. With multiple immunization sessions getting planned, additional support by increasing the fleet of refrigerated vans to transport the vaccines will support the mega immunization drive, they said. The sources said that the cold chain capacity needs to be augmented most in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Kerala, Telangana and Delhi in that order. Other states that need to augment cold chain supply are Assam, Jharkhand, Punjab and Odisha. Taluka-wise capacity augmentation has also been mapped. The sources said that some discussions on the pricing of the vaccine have already been held, and it is being debated if they are to be administered free or for a price. Earlier this week, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said that the government expects to receive and utilize around 400 to 500 million vaccine doses for COVID-19 and cover approximately 20 to 25 crore people by July 2021. The centre has also reportedly directed states to make a robust plan for vaccine storage and distribution by October 15th. According to experts, the safe delivery of the vaccines for mass immunization against COVID-19 is a massive challenge, and that the country will need to significantly ramp up its cold chain facilities. Pawan X. Kohli, the founding CEO of India's National Centre for Cold Chain Development, agreed that the protocol that will require COVID-19 vaccines to be kept between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius while in transport and storage until delivery. While a bulk of the vaccines will be distributed to the centre's Universal Immunization Program mechanism, experts also suggest that the government rope in private cold chain operators. The vast scale of India's UIP is supported by more than 27,000 cold functional points, which account for around 750 are located at the district level and above. The rest are located below the district level according to the government's comprehensive multi-year UIP plan for 2018-22. These include 76,000 cold chain equipment, 2.5 million health workers and 55,000 cold chain staff, the plan report said. Thank you for watching.